Hello students. So in our continuation, the next topic taken pH scale. What is the meaning of pH scale? pH scale was given by Sorensen. We will come on the pH scale. Let us take the first meaning of term pH. This pH can be taken pH. pH can be taken minus logarithm of concentration of hydrogen plus ions. Already explained to you hydrogen plus ions are not existing freely in solution. So what happens? We write concentration of hydrogens as hydronium ions. It is better written as minus log of concentration of hydronium ions as the pH. For writing pH, you be careful. That if I write English 4-line copy, how should I write pH? P small, H capital. Don't write stylish pH. Sometimes students writing pH, yes, something like this pH. They are writing anything. It is not correct way. For writing pH, you take simple P, H capital. That's all. Okay. One example I tell you in my one of the class I was teaching earlier. I told a question to students. A solution having pH equal to 3. One student was writing pH equal to, means you are writing pH 3. So you can see the meaning of pH. By writing different style, pH can change the entire meaning. It becomes phosphine. The question was a solution having pH equal to 3. I just told the question, write as question, a solution having pH 3. You are writing pH 3. So you can see the meaning of term pH equal to 3 and pH 3. So just a simple way, writing pH, write small p, H capital, that is how we write pH. pH can indicate the negative logarithm of the hydronium ions concentration. Okay. Then similarly we can take term POH. What is POH? It is minus log of OH ions concentration. Then pKW minus log of KW. Then if you write pKa minus log of Ka, pKb minus log of Kb. If you write pK equilibrium, so it is minus log of K equilibrium. Means for any term taken here, if I write small p indicate of that term or constant negative logarithm. Negative logarithm is taken pH of that term. Okay. So that is one point. This Ka, Kb, Kw all are coming further in our discussion. Ka can be taken for the weak acid as the value of dissociation constant. Ka. For the weak base, Kb can be taken as dissociation constants. Kw for water ionic product. All these terms are coming ahead in our discussion. So just to introduce the meaning of pH. pH simply can mean the minus log of concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions. Remember this, I am writing concentration, and this kind of expressions are valid for the dilute solutions. When solutions are having higher concentration, then the term is modified as pH is equal to minus log of activity of hydrogen plus ions. The term activity I will explain bit elaborately slightly more. When I take the calculation of pH when solutions are having higher concentration. Okay? So just to introduce in simple way, in dilute solutions, expressions are well applicable. pH is minus log of concentration of hydrogen ions, or better term we are writing minus log of concentration of hydronium ions. POH minus log of concentration of OH negative ions for different constants. If you take their minus logarithm is for that term or constants P. pKw, pKa, pKb, pK equilibrium, or small p for indicating, small p will indicate the negative logarithm of a given term. Okay. Now, if it is taken pH scale, it was given by Sorensen. scale was taken, scale is taken from 0 to 14. Remember, this pH scale is temperature dependent. If you take different temperature, scale will change. How it will change, I will explain to you. First, write down this pH scale can be taken when your temperature 25 degrees Celsius. If we take temperature 25 degrees Celsius, the pH scale is taken from 0 to 14. Midpoint taken of this pH scale somewhere here as pH 7. When solution at pH 7, we say solution is neutral. When we have solution pH 7 means solution is neutral. While towards the lower pH side, and for neutral writing here, we can have two variations. If we take solution towards lower pH, okay, suppose solution of pH 1, 2 side, lower side, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that means towards lower side, solution's acidic strength increases. Whereas towards higher pH side, solution's basic strength increases. Of a solution means आपको solution दिया हुआ है, अगर उसका pH ज्यादा है, let's say pH आपको दिया 10, 11, 12, 13 type, तो towards higher pH solution become more and more basic. Towards 7 side solution is less basic. Similarly, towards lower pH solution become more and more acidic. Towards midpoint 7 solution become less acidic in nature. So when they ask question, okay, suppose we are given 3-4 solutions, like if I write here which solution is most acidic in nature, which solution is most acidic with pH value given. If pH is, आपको ऑप्शन A दिया है 1.5, B आपको दिया है 3, C दिया है 4, D दिया है 6.5. तो obviously whichever have pH lowest, that solution is said to be most acidic in nature. कौन सा होगा? जिसका pH सबसे कम है, वो क्या होगा? सबसे ज्यादा acidic. ऐसे क्वेश्चन में पूछता है which solution is most basic in nature. Most basic means if again pH is given, आपको ऑप्शन दिया pH 7.8, 9.5, 11.3, 13.2. If the pH is given of solutions, then they ask you which solution is most basic in nature. तो क्या होना चाहिए? Towards higher pH side, solution become more basic. Which have highest pH? D. When solution at pH 7, it is neutral. From 7, we can go two directions. Lower pH side, solution become more and more acidic. Towards higher pH side, solution become more and more basic in nature. At 7, solution is neutral. I hope it is clear. When solution at pH 7, then it is neutral. Towards higher pH side, solution become more and more basic. Lower pH side, solution become acidic. Again remember, this scale is taken when we have pH temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. If we change temperature, pH scale will change. So let us say why we take this temperature 25. What happen if we take different temperature values? So let us come to how we get the scale up to 14 when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now coming back, when solutions are acidic means toward lower side acidic strength increases, toward higher pH side solutions basic strength increases. And coming to why we have, how to get this pH scale when your temperature 25 degrees Celsius. देखिए, we can take in this case dissociation of water. Dissociation of water. We know water is a weak electrolyte. When water will dissociate, we can write expression in the form H plus ions plus OH negative ions, or we can write in the form H2O, means adding here one extra H water molecules, giving H3O plus OH negative ions, giving H3O plus OH negative ions. If C can be taken concentration of water and alpha can be taken degree of dissociation. See, one water I am cancelling out, so just write in C. So it is how much C alpha, C alpha. You can write same also here, C alpha if it is concentration taken C of water, where alpha is very less than 1. So you can say 1 minus alpha can be taken equal to 1. Here alpha is very low as compared to 1. क्यों? Water is an extremely weak electrolyte. Water is extremely weak electrolyte. For this reaction of dissociation of water, or we can take term ionization of water, giving ions, we can write the expression of K. This K can be taken for water dissociation constant. Dissociation constant of water. This K can be taken as concentration of hydronium ions into OH negative ions divided by concentration of water. Now in this case, this is found to be constant. Concentration of water means when 1 minus alpha is equal to 1, so you can write here C into 1 minus alpha can be taken C, meaning concentration of water remain practically constant. Concentration of water practically remain constant. क्यों? अल्फा बहुत कम होगा इसके लिए, कि for the water self dissociation alpha is very low, so we can take 1 minus alpha is equal to 1, so concentration of water remains C constant. So product taken here, K is constant of this, like Kc values. K can be taken one type of equilibrium constant whose value remain constant at same temperature. So K into concentration of water, it is constant given as the product of H3O plus into OH minus, and this value is found to be 10 to power minus 14 when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. K into water, K can be taken for water dissociation constant. K is for water dissociation constant. Concentration of water is constant, so product is constant, and this is written as in terms of Kw. This is written in terms of Kw. What is Kw? This Kw is called as ionic product. Kw called ionic product of water. W for water. So we can take from expression Kw is equal to concentration of hydronium ions into OH negative ion is equal to 10 power minus 14. This expression or value is found to be when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. In the given expression, taking minus log throughout, we can write minus log Kw is what? pKw is equal to minus log of concentration of hydronium ion is pH plus minus log of OH ion concentration is POH is equal to minus log of 10 to power minus 14. कितना होता है? 14. When we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. So you can see from here the value of pKw. What is pKw? Minus log of Kw is pKw is found to be 14 when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. So the pH scale is taken in any case from 0 up to pKw. From 0 to pKw. If we change temperature, If we change temperature, pH scale will change. क्यों? Kw will change on changing temperature. Kw changes means the value is not changing, so scale will change accordingly. Okay, how the pH scale will change, let us explain to you. See, for the water self dissociation, H2O give H plus ions plus OH negative ions. This expression taken Kw. For this and reaction chemical delta H sign of ionization. What is the sign of delta H ionization? Enthalpy of ionization of water. We can write better H2O plus OH minus. H इजी है, मिडिल क्लास लिख रहा हूँ, तो यू शुड राइट H2O प्लस. कितना होगा इसमें डेल्टा H आयनाइजेशन का साइन या वैल्यू? देखिए, अगर आपको याद होगा, आपने पढ़ा था टर्म थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री में, एंथैल्पी ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. एंथैल्पी ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन क्या था इसका वैल्यू? -13.7 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल. किस फॉर विच रिएक्शन वो था कि अगर हम रिएक्शन देते हैं 1 मोल H प्लस आयन का 1 मोल OH नेगेटिव आयन से, क्या बनता है? इस केस में वाटर बनता है. उस रिएक्शन में हीट रिलीज होता है -13.7 किलो कैलोरी फॉर 1 मोल. यहाँ पर रिएक्शन का उसका जस्ट अपोजिट है. तो इस रिएक्शन में डेल्टा H कितना आएगा आयनाइजेशन के लिए? +13.7 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल. फॉर दिस रिएक्शन डेल्टा H आयनाइजेशन इज 13.7 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल. ये रिएक्शन क्या हुआ? एंडोथर्मिक. कैसे? आपका वाटर को ब्रेक करेंगे H आयंस और OH नेगेटिव आयंस में. वाटर को ब्रेक करने के लिए H आयंस और OH नेगेटिव में क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको OH बॉन्ड ब्रेक करने पड़ेंगे. OH बॉन्ड ब्रेक करने में क्या रिक्वायर्ड होगा? एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगा. एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगा क्या मीनिंग क्या होगा? रिएक्शन बिकम एंडोथर्मिक. रिएक्शन बिकम एंडोथर्मिक. Then you can use that equation discussed in chemical equilibrium. One of equation क्या था उस equation में? If I write log Kc2 by Kc1, you can write similarly from log Kw2 by Kw1 will be how much? It is delta H ionization of water by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This equation was there. Want of equation modification to see the effect of temperature on Kp Kc value. If reaction is endothermic in this case as given, with rising temperature क्या हुआ इसमें? What is delta H ionization? Positive. Means reaction क्या आपका है? Endothermic. For endothermic reaction क्या होता है? If T2 is more than T1, then Kw2 become more than Kw1. With rising temperature, Kc Kp values are increasing. Similarly, Kw will also increase. What is Kw? Kw is a type of Kc only. It is a type of reaction equilibrium constant for ions. So when with rising temperature, delta H is constant, but T2 increases, positive value increase. When the positive value increases, Kw will increase. And when Kw increase, क्या होना चाहिए इसमें? If Kw increases means we can write here that with rising temperature, Kw increases. Means power become less negative of Kw, then Pkw क्या होगा? Decrease or decreases. So what happened to pH scale? It decreases with rising temperature. So with rising temperature, Pkw decrease or pH scale increase. Kw will increase. Remember, Kw increases, Pkw decreases, and therefore pH scale will decrease. It is one of the very important concept on which you get question in examinations in different entrance. क्या क्वेश्चन पूछता है? A solution having pH 7 is always neutral. True or false? It is not true statement. Solution having pH 7 is neutral only when We have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. If you change temperature, this pH scale will modify, will change. Okay. So let us take how this point effect of temperature variation will affect pH calculations. Let us take a question. इस क्वेश्चन given to you. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है कि at 80 degrees Celsius, I'm writing value hypothesis approximately. Suppose question given at 80 degrees Celsius, the Kw is found to be 10 to power minus 13. Kw is found to be 10 to power minus 13. Then question पूछा है find the nature of solution having pH. आपको पार्ट दिया है, इसमें पार्ट ए में दिया है सॉल्यूशन का पीएच दिया है 6.8, 6.3, 7.5, 8.5, 6.5, 7.0. क्वेश्चन पूछता है इन द गिवन सॉल्यूशंस व्हिच सॉल्यूशंस कैन बी एसिडिक. नेचर का मीनिंग क्या है? एसिडिक और बेसिक और न्यूट्रल. आपको इतना बताना है एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल. ए फॉर एसिडिक, बी फॉर बेसिक एंड फॉर न्यूट्रल. इन तीनों में से क्या होना चाहिए? आपको दिया है सॉल्यूशन का पीएच वैल्यूज. ओके, ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. हो गया? नाउ सी, when solution are neutral, if solution can be देखिए in any case solutions are neutral, the concentration of hydrogen plus ions should be equal to OH negative ions, and that is how much? Root of Kw. आप देखो ना, what is Kw? Suppose it is x, it is x, so what can be written Kw? x square. दोनों सेम होगा वाटर से. तो व्हाट इज देन एक्स वैल्यू? HN और OH नेगेटिव एंड रूट ऑफ Kw. कितना है रूट ऑफ Kw लेने पर? 10 पावर कितना है? माइनस 13, तो माइनस 6.5. देन व्हाट इज pH? माइनस लॉग ऑफ दिस वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 6.5. सो इन दिस केस pH is 6.5 for neutral solution. When solution is neutral, it has pH 6.5. And in this case, what is pH scale? What is pKw? Minus log of Kw. What is Kw? 10 power minus 13. It is 13. So you can take from here. In this case, the pH scale will change. कितना रहेगा आपका pH scale? From 0 to 13. Midpoint is taken 6.5 when solution is neutral. So in this case, see with rising temperature, what happened to pH scale? It have increased. Sorry, a decrease. We have pH scale earlier up to 14 when we were having temperature 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, we have taken a different temperature. So what happened to pKw? It have decrease. Kw have increased, but what happened to pKw? Decrease. So now in this case, you can tell solution which are having pH 6.5 is neutral. So this solution is neutral. And then any solution which have pH values below 7 will be what? Below 6.5. Any solution having pH below 6.5 is acidic. And which have pH value more than 6.5 क्या हो जाएगा? Basic. It is basic, basic, basic and basic. So you can see this example. Solution of pH 7, it is not neutral. Meaning is what? कि whenever solutions are having pH values at the midpoint of the pH scale, then only it is neutral. pH 7 is always neutral is not correct. A solution having pH 7 is neutral only when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Remember, the pH scale is temperature dependent. It is temperature dependent. Changing temperature, pH scale will change. I hope you are getting this point. So from this discussion we can take some now conclusion part. लिख लिया, आगे चलते हैं. See, now in solving our questions, if we are not given temperature, हम क्या करेंगे उस केस में? If in the questions we are not given temperature, we will take temperature 25 degrees Celsius as a standard. It is taken as room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. In the standard conditions, we take temperature 25 degrees Celsius. So in the question if nothing given, we will take this pH scale for doing our questions. Otherwise they should mention temperature. Now we can again have a relook कि when we take temperature 25 degrees Celsius, we can take Kw is equal to concentration of H3O plus or H plus ions into OH negative ion is equal to 10 power minus 14. One expression. Taking minus log throughout, we write term pKw is equal to minus log of H3O is taken, pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at same temperature. Okay, it is given at this temperature. Now solutions can be neutral, acidic or basic. It depends on the relative concentration. Solutions can be acidic, basic or neutral. It depends on the relative concentration. किसका? H आयंस का और OH नेगेटिव आयंस का. जैसे ये कंडीशन कॉमन रहेगा for solution to be neutral. ये ऐसे बोल सकते हैं बेटर वे में कि if concentration of hydrogen plus ions or hydronium ions in solution is equal to concentration of OH negative ion, then the solution is neutral. In any case, if the concentration of hydrogen ions is equal to OH negative ion, solution is neutral in any case at any temperature. And when we take this temperature, then solution of pH equal to 7. When your temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Now, if I can write here that concentration of hydrogen ions is more than OH negative ions, if concentration of H ions become more than OH negative ions, remember just like Kc value Kw remain constant. If we increase the concentration of hydronium ions or H plus ions, then OH negative decrease. If we increase the concentration of hydronium ions or H plus ions, OH negative ions concentration will decrease. If we add outside base OH negative ion, then OH ion increase, then this will decrease to maintain the Kw constant. Just like we told Kc Kb values in chapter chemical equilibrium, we can say Kw values will also remain constant until or unless we change temperature. Okay, so when this is given, if Hs are more than OH or you can write hydronium ions as more than OH negative ions, then solution become what? Acidic in nature. It can have pH less than 7 when we have temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Or if concentration of hydronium ions OH negative ions is more, then concentration of hydrogen plus ions, then solution become basic and it will have pH of solution more than 7 at same temperature. So as a common convention, we take temperature 25 degrees Celsius in attempting our questions. For pH scale. So I hope it is now clear till now that pH scale is temperature dependent. If in the question nothing given, we will take temperature from our side 25 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, pH scale is from 0 to 14. 14 is taken pKw value, 14 is pKw. It depends on Kw values minus log of Kw is given as pKw. So this is one expression for pH determination. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर. When they ask question to find pH of solution, so remember, if we are given acidic medium, अगर आपको दिया है acidic medium तो क्या करेंगे? Find the concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions. Then for solution find pH. If we are given basic medium, then first we find the concentration of OH negative ions, find POH and then pH from the given scale. In the question usually they mention temperature. Even though in the question they don't mention temperature, you can take temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'll give some rough values कि how on changing temperature, just data wise कि pH scale can change slightly more on just experimental values. Now it is some information, some data which can help you to understand about pH scale variation with temperature. First data, already we have explained to you that with rising temperature the value of Kw increases. It is given in terms of temperature in degrees Celsius and given Kw, it is given as this value into 10 to power minus 14. This into 10 to power minus 14 as Kw on changing temperature. It is given how it changes. These values are given, are indicative of variation of pH scale or Kw value with temperature. When Kw changes, pH scale will change because pKw will change. So you can see here, when we have temperature 0 degrees Celsius, the Kw value is lower, much lower, 0.114 into 10 to power minus 14. When we have temperature 10 degrees Celsius, value is 0.292 into 10 to power minus 14. When we have temperature 20 degrees Celsius, the Kw is 0.681 into same 10 power minus 14. When you have 25 temperature 25 degrees Celsius, then this value is 1.008 into 10 to power minus 14. We take by approximation 10 power minus 14. Then temperature is exceeding this value here. It start more than this value, 1.468 into 10 to power minus 14. When you have temperature 40 degrees Celsius, the value of Kw become 2.919 into 10 to power minus 14. And when you have temperature 50 degrees Celsius, Kw is 5.474 into 10 to power minus 14. It is the variation. I hope you are understanding. With rising temperature, what happened to Kw value? Kw increases. Why? Because the reaction of self dissociation of water is endothermic, and endothermic reactions are favored at high temperature in the forward direction. So with rising temperature, the value of Kw is increasing. When Kw increases, what happened to pKw? Decreases. That means then what should happen to pH scale? Decrease with rising temperature. Okay, so that is one concept. Now it is just information, some information given. Sometime they may ask questions like in different examinations, पूछते नहीं है but फिर भी आपके information के लिए, knowledge के लिए कि what is the pH value, or for different solutions or samples given the order of pH values. You can take here solution of HCl 1 molar है pH 0, nearly 0. Gastric juice है pH 1.2. Lemon juice है pH 2.2. Remember, lower the pH means it is more acidic, sour. Taste आप करोगे तो बहुत लगता है आपको है. Lemon juice 2.2. Soft drinks 3.0. Tomato juice 4.2. Black coffee 5.0. Human saliva 6.4. Milk 6.8. Milk is not, you can take very neutral, close to neutral, slightly below 7. Human blood, sometimes they ask question about human blood, it have how much pH? It is slightly more than 7, 7.4. Egg white or sea water, they have different salts of magnesium, sodium, other salts. It has pH 7.8. Lime water 10.5. Then 0.1 molar solution NaOH, it has pH 13. See, when they have pH more than 7, they are basic in nature. Higher the pH, more basic. Below 7, they are acidic in nature. Solutions are acidic. And lower the pH, solutions are more and more acidic. Lower the pH, solutions are more and more acidic. Okay? It is just information. इसमें एक दो आप ध्यान रखते हैं स्पेशली. इससे तो गैस्ट्रिक जूस का एग्जाम्पल और एक आपका आता है ह्यूमन ब्लड. ये दो एग्जाम्पल स्पेशली ध्यान रखिए इसमें. बाकी यू कैन कैलकुलेट सम अदर वैल्यूज. ठीक है, तो जस्ट सम आइडिया यू कैन हैव फॉर अ रेफरेंस ओनली, जीके बेस.